friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I teach you some important notes to the coronavirus minimal protection against the infection of lab work. Instances, we have started from here. So let's start the discussion. Journal on March 5, however, that he withdrew the paper because of the speculation about the possible origins in the post was based on published paper and media and was not supported by the direct proofs. Minimal protection against the infection of lab work. Instances of SARS has leaked from the laboratories in the Taiwan, Singapore and Beijing, but Business Insider was unable to find evidence that any such laboratory accidents have occurred in Wuhan. Matthew Pottinger, the US's Deputy National Security Advisor, asked intelligence agencies in January to look into the idea of the Wuhan lab leak. The New York Times reported, but CIA officers did not find any evidence. General Mark Milley, the chairman of the US Joint Chiefs of the Staff, said on Tuesday that evidence for the lab leak idea was of evidence lens towards natural defense. One reported Steele Richard and a bright microbiologist Rutgers University told the Business Insider that he thought Boto's paper was accurate. All statement fact in the document can be verified. Ebright said in an email. Ebright previously told the Washington Post that he thought the virus could have occurred as a laboratory accident. According to Ebright, a video from the Chinese state media in December 2019 showed Wuhan CDC staff correcting the coronavirus with inadequate PPE, personal protective equipment, and unsafe operational practices. Bar skin on faces, bar skin on wrists, on goggles, no face shields in the footage. However, Tian and his CDC colleagues wear protective suits and goggles and gloves and masks while handling bats and collecting samples in caves across the Hubei province. In the video, Tian described his work studying virus like SARS to play from foundation for making vaccines. Ebright also suggested that coronaviruses were being studied at a Wuhan lab with a biosafety level which he said provides only minimal protection against the infection of lab workers compared with highest level BSL-4 virus collection culture isolation or animal infection at BSL-2, with the virus having the transmission characteristics of the outbreak. A virus would pose a high risk of the accidental infection, Ebright said, adding that BSL-2 lab was part of the Wuhan CDC. The US Centers for Disease and Control and Prevention allow research into the new coronavirus to perform at BSL-2 labs as long action and designate area for workers to put on and take off protective equipment. A lab proximity to the Wuhan market is irrelevant. Another issue with the theory described in Boto's retracted paper is that studies and reports are increasingly finding that people in Wuhan were getting sick in early December and potentially. So friends, thank you. In the next video I will give you another information about the coronavirus pandemic. Thank you.